Is everybody excited? We got our test kit in the mail. Joey! Yes, he's excited. So in the mail today, I received my MYSOIL soil testing kit. But as you can see, here in Zone 5B, my garden is still very much under the weather. So we're going to take this inside, unbox it. I'm going to provide you with a promo code if you'd like to get a kit for yourself at a discounted price. And let's go over what we've got inside this great little mail call today. Well, we've managed to make it back inside. I've gotten some tea, I've warmed up a little bit, and I've got our package open here. Let's go ahead and unbox this. There's just one little piece left to do. And see what we've got inside our soil testing kit from MYSOILtesting.com. So first thing right out of the box is the packing slip. Awesome. You know, they've taken great care to ship this properly. There's no damage. Everything looks great. Let's take the kit out. So it tells you to fertilize responsibly and grow healthier plants. This kit is great for lawn and turf, ornamental landscapes, organic gardening, composting, soilless media, and trees. You know, the great people over at MYSOILtesting.com have graciously agreed to sponsor Round the Hay Bale podcast, and they've sent out soil testing kits to all of the hosts of our great podcast. If you've not listened in to Round the Hay Bale, I will leave a link in the description box below. Make sure you come on over and see what we're talking about on our homesteads. We sure would love to have you. Let's see what we've got inside. The first thing you see when you open your kit is there's a registration form right on top. Don't open up your kit and think that this is discardable. Keep it. You're going to want to utilize the information on this card to register your kit. When you register it online, they know you've received it, they're anticipating its return, and once they get everything back in, a prepaid, pre-addressed, padded envelope. They've thought of everything. Once they receive this and scan it, they know exactly whose soil this is. So make sure you keep the registration card, go online right away and register it. All of the information is on here so you can quickly register, no problem. And then they've got everything taken care of on your envelope. And then inside your test kit, you have everything you need to properly test your soil. Now, I'm not going to go into that too much today because this is just our unboxing and to tell you about this great deal from MYSOILtesting.com. We'll be coming back later to actually test our soil once everything thaws out. But as I was mentioning earlier, MYSOILtesting.com, they're sponsoring Round the Hay Bale, which I co-host with some great friends, and we all live in different zones. So it's very interesting to see how our test results will turn out from different zones. But you know, if you're ready to get your testing kit now, go to www.MYSOILtesting.com, and right now, end of February 2022, their kits are on sale. So you can get them at a great sale price already. And if you use this code right back here, MYSOIL22, it's a great discount code that they have passed on to Round the Hay Bale podcast for you to use. So make sure you use that for additional savings. You know what's going to be coming up, and I don't want you to miss it. I'm going to be testing my soil out in my hügelkultur raised garden. We want to see how our soil is doing after 2 seasons and what I need to amend it with. So don't miss out on that. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell, and then give us a thumbs up on this video if you would. It sure would help the channel. Until we see you then when we come back with our soil testing results, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and have a blessed day. And thank you for visiting us here at the farm.